Look at that for scenery. Not on about him munching crisps either. We need Alan here, the 4-star paddler. Go on, I'll witness your death. Oh, what crawler to Matt's underpants here. That has been one awesome day. O'clock on, oh, I don't even know what date it is. Is it Tuesday, Wednesday? Tuesday. This has just been typical of the weather we've had. This is the Glenveagh National Park. This is all the peat digging. See the bags over there? They dig the peat, bag it all up, dry it out, bag it up, and it gets sold. It's like coal. So it is. My God, look at it up here. It looks like the world's caught fire and it's on fire and it's steaming. What an absolutely amazing little place we've found. I don't even know what it's called. Quay, isn't it? It just says Quay at the end of the map. Yeah, but there's no place. It's like the Sillies crossed with Land's End, crossed with Donegal, I suppose, and heaven, yeah. Absolute heaven. An hour ago we were riding up that national park and it was pouring down with rain. It was horrible. That sun's just come out and it's blazing hot. I'm going to go and ask these guys if we can use their slip, if we can launch. And if we get told to Foxtrot Oscar, we'll have to try and find a way to that beach over there. What a little place we're in here. We're going out to, if we can, Owey Island, County Donegal. This is I can't remember the name of the place. Kincasslagh, I think, or Cloughy. It's an absolutely magical little place. We've had everything with the weather. 2 hours ago it was lashing down like middle of winter. And look at it now. Oh my God, some real paddling at last. Some real sunshine, feel good paddling. The Jesus is all fully rigged up with his TV antenna on, receiving signals. Just across from where we've launched, we've got an equally quaint little harbour where no Nazis will bother you, where there's nobody collecting a fee or grinding you down with the ways. It's amazing granite, like at Land's End. Some of these rocks are incredibly knobbly. Little slice of paradise, look at that. That wind's going up again, Jesus H Christ. Potential cave there to your left. We've just had a hostile takeover bid of the salted nuts. I'm going to scoff them before there's any more increased bids. Wow, look at that, what a place. Hardly a soul knows about it. This is the mountain we passed this morning that was covered in the clouds and it looked like it was on fire. I've seen what it's called and I forgot. Muckish Mountain, oh I can't remember. If you look dead ahead, them clouds are fairly racing past. I'm not moving, I'm not making them look like they move. They are coming in quick. We're in between like two weather fronts. Who lives in a house like this? Look at that. Look at his patio there at the end overlooking the sea. Mr. Big. Look at that for scenery. Not on about him munching crisps either. Watch your fingers there. Jesus, fingers nearly gone. That mountain, look, it's just touching clouds now. Monkey Mountain. Look at him, he's absolutely filling his face. His face is now full. Look how clear this water is. Oh, but Jesus, as they'd say in these parts, look at what we've got to contend with now. Oh, but Jesus. I cannot get enough of that view. That is fabulous. I'm in this like pretty deep channel here. Just before we're heading out the bay now, this is going into the open sea, we're going to get a bit of swell. I might put my spray top on. Shall I tough it out and be a man? What's it to be? We're at the harbour now, and there's a hell of a lot more livelier this sea. Here's us. Oh, sun's going in now, bleeding hell. Don't do that. I think it's going to get a bit lively around there when we get round there. Look at the surroundings we're in. He's not going in. He's thinking about it. The Jesus is turning the cave down. Not got the Nazi helmet on, have you? Oof. I can't think why you'd turn that one down. Oh, what crawler to Matt's underpants here. I'm going to release it at sea. Jesus, look at this. This is next bait at one we've just been in. It's like a movie set or something, isn't it? Look at that rock up there. Oh, Jesus, look at that rock there. Absolutely incredible in here, isn't it? It's like a miniature Land's End. I had a very early moment there then. Just as I shouted big wave, the rock just appeared there. And the wave picked me up, carried me over it and dragged me back. Look at this here. It's like a lemonade. Boy, it was right through, look at it. It's a little inlet in there. It's as if it's a lemonade bottling plant, isn't it? There's the lemonade coming out of it. Here it comes, there's the lemonade. Oh. That's it. Here's the lemonade. Here's the lemonade. See you now. Well, that is lemonade. My God. It's all happening there. I wouldn't dare it in there. No, sir.
You know what? I said that one.
Tempting to go in that cave, but look at that green slime. No, I'm not bothered. Well, it's an absolutely 10 out of 10 place, this. Look at that. Like a miniature Land's End. All in miniature. With a big mountain in the background. We'll find out what that mountain's called tonight. And a big cave at back of us. And some very unpredictable swells. very. And the golf course is just up the back here. Wow, look at that gully there. Can't believe you've not gone in that gully there. The swells are just really going in there. Yep, that'll be the swell. We are about to enter the twilight zone. Look at the mountain now, it's virtually disappeared in the cloud. I've took a hint from Matt and I've put the spray top on. My God, it gets better and better this trip. I've just dropped my bloody top in water. Jesus, that's all I need. We've come out there thinking we're going around the rocks and it's going to be, it's all sheltered. So we've got a bit more shelter. It's absolutely splendid here. Look how this swell just gets up in this gap here. 1 minute it's benign and next minute look at it. Oh, the sun's gone in, what a pity. It's always better with sun out. Crikey, this place is lively. Look at that, Matt's disappearing as well. The first island we should see should be Crohy Island. Spelt Crutch or something like that, but pronounced Critch. And we're right round that headland at Owey Island. That looks like the safer channel to me. Oof, it's getting lumpy out here now. It's fantastic here though. Some strange shapes in these rocks. Very strange indeed. This is Owey Island, oof, and if you think this is choppy, you should have seen it a minute ago. Jesus. The swell's coming in, hitting them cliffs behind us and bouncing out. The sea was just all over the place. By God, look at it over there. It's just coming at you from every direction. This is Owey Island. It looks absolutely awesome, but these conditions are rather awesome as well. Found a bit of a slip here, and that's after a hot refreshing. He's a bit nervous after crashing yesterday. I shouldn't laugh, it'll happen to me sometime. A big swells then. 2 seals over here. Just fast asleep in it, no problem to them, is it? Where's he going now? I thought he was nervous. Well, I'm going in there, me. Some hot refreshings. Whoa, look at that lovely little harbour. Magic. Good dogs. Refreshing number 2, a nice clean cup. Yep. Have you got a spoon?
Yep.
Oh, it's a bit haylad there on it. Sure, it should be dropping this tide. That is a spoon and a half there, isn't it? What's it been? Look at that.
Made in Sheffield, that. Finest stainless steel available.
How do you know it's made in Sheffield? Good job I've got some shit ticket clean it. Look at that. That's always a good sign. You're in a good clean environment, isn't it? And we are indeed. This is Owey Island. I think that's Crohy Island to the left. And that one to the right is where we was the other day, Aaron Moor. So in there is Burton Port, where we wasted the best part of a day and drunk 6 pints of Guinness and didn't do any paddling. But this place is proper wild. Look at that. This is what it's all about. We're lucky we've got this little inlet where we came in. Nice and sheltered. We had a bit of a break and a hot refreshing. Look at the view over there. If my wife could see me now. Well, conditions are pretty much full on here. But these caves have got to be investigated, it's as simple as that. Oof. As ever with these, it's not just when the wave lands, it's what bounces back off it. Ooh. Do not forsake me. Matt's found a delightful little crack. Are you going for it?
You behave yourself. You know what happened yesterday?
Oh, that? Oh, no, no, no. Oh, no, 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 no. Yeah, it's easy, that one.
Yeah, you got some
Well, time it right. That is one amazing gully.
Go for this one.
Me, are you?
Both of us.
Depends how narrow it is there at the end, doesn't it?
There you go.
I'm going for it. I'm not going to stop paddling. I'm going to go for it. Wish me luck. Oh my God, look at that. Woo! Yay, no. Whoa! My God. Can you see what happens when I mentioned going through somewhere? Yeah, you can turn round anyway at least. Jesus, look at that! No way! I'm getting out of here. Oh. No, I'm not. Here I am. No, I'm not. Here I am. There's no way I'm going through that. It's like a washing machine. I can see it there now at the end. Oh. That would have been the worst decision ever if we'd have carried on then. Should have been, is that the co-op? Yeah, we've got 2 bodies for you here. One's got an orange helmet on. Look at the swells climbing up them rocks. Look at the stacks over here in the caves. It's fantastic. Look at that swell. The sea is literally boiling, it's evaporating, it's vaporising, it's that much. Whew. Don't forget, this is summer, this is flat calm. Imagine what it's like here on a proper Atlantic storm. It calms down and lulls you into a false sense of security. And then another one will come in about another 5 minutes. Another 2 or 3 sets. Whew. The other end of that gully. Whew. There is no way I was risking that. Matt's found a cave. Look at that stack. Well, I thought we'd have got a bit of calm water in here. How deep's that one?
Back off to the left.
Oh, a minute then, a minute me. Watch me go. Not. There's no way I'm going in there. No chance. I can see thing at the back, I can see it crashing in at the back. Holy scamoly, I cannot believe I'm going in here. Oh my god! Oh no! Jesus. Not so bad now, I can see what's coming. As far as all the caves are concerned, this one's calm. I wouldn't come in it if it wasn't big enough. The others are a lot narrower. Oh. I made it. It's even at, what's his name there? Good luck with that one. We thought there'd be a bit of a beach here, a bit calmer. It is a bit calmer. We just round the corner it's at swell, we might get a bit of calm water in there. Doesn't look safe to me, that stack. Looks all a bit lopsided and a bit another gully, another arch and cave. Oh my god, get that. This is one awesome place. This is Owey Island. We're on the northwest coast of it, I think. Yeah, about the northwest coast of Owey Island. Look at the rain over there. There's a big mountain there behind that cloud. We've got the stack, and the arch. Something very strange is happening here. This bird has got something in its mouth. It's like it's caught something. It's too much for it to eat. This is Owey Island and it's been absolutely incredible so far. And I think this is the bit where we're going to turn back, because I think that's where all the swell is out there. Oh, too much zoom. It looks really, really, really bad out there. Another cave there, what we haven't done. Look at them jagged rocks there. That is death to a boat. There's just been a seal there in all that. You should have seen it. As usual, the camera's away when it happens. In all that froth there. No problem to him. You would not get me going through that gap, I'll tell you. Not for a gold pig. I'm always right when I don't want to be right. I didn't want it to be too rough round here. I said it would be, and I'm right. I wanted this trip to carry on because it's been magic so far. By God, that is too rough. Look at that crashing in. There is no way I am going in that. We need Alan here, the 4-star paddler.
That's huge, isn't it?
Look at that cave. Are we going in that? Yeah. One of the locals is here. He's come to check our sanity. Dogs. Dogs are going to get home, Dad. That woke me up. There then, dogs.
Sometimes the waves are going over the top of that.
I can imagine. We've just seen a seal over there as well in the way. They don't give a shit, do they?
Oh no.
Jesus, what a place. I think we'll head back, eh? Oof. Watch over there, you'll see that seal. There he is, to the left. He's virtually on the rocks and he's just like, no problem. There, to the left, can you see him? Ugly, he's got about 10 women on go. That's how ugly he is. He ugly, ugly, ugly. Here we go again for another cave. What's it gonna be? Run away! Whoa! This one don't look bad, this cave actually. Have a good look at it, let a couple of big ones go in and see how we go. Ooh. Fetch me the Holy Bible. And what I'm looking for when I get in here is any shallow rock. If a big swell comes in, I'm going to sit on it. It looks pretty deep. Look at that, it's absolutely amazing. Don't know how far it goes back down there. Where's Matt? You can tell how much activity there's been in here because of the mist. It's incredibly calm in here considering we're just round the corner, literally 50, 100 yards away from booming swell. Here's the wave. Not bad, just right at the bottom in out me. Oh my god, it goes right round the corner here. It splits off. Oh, there's a seal. He's gone. The seal's come in the cave. There he is. The camera can't pick it up. It's gone. This is his cave. This is as far as I'm going in here. Whoa! Another big wave. Jesus. Get through somehow. Freaking hell. Deep down, Frank, lad. Just right at the bottom and out in the rock. Not so bad, I can see what's going on. I'm going to go for it now while I can. Land sooner or later, it had to, didn't it? That big ugly seal's at the back of the cave there. Oh man, it's amazing down there. Look at it down there. Shall we get out while we can? That's where we're heading back over there. Back through that. Through that. I'm going to do one of them. Going through the islands. lovely and calm in here. I might have spoke too soon at that. Yep, there was none of this before, was there? My God, we've never got this close to shags before and they've not flew off. They're toughing it out, these Irish ones, aren't they? They're made of sterner stuff. One's got shafts on him. Look, giggity, giggity, giggity gone. Seriously contemplating the gully of death, are you? Eh? Behave, I don't believe you after yesterday. See that dent in your nose? I'll be nothing could. Why, what are you going to do? Going backwards? There's no way I'm going through the gully of death. Just watch when these land. And he's talking about going in there.
Smashing your boat up. The headstone is brave with whatever you want. So when you get out the other side.
Our morbid curiosity has brought us back to the gully of death. It's not bad enough, it comes in this way as well. Oh, he's tempted. Christ, where's all this come from all of a sudden? I'm waiting here, I'm sheltered here a little bit, well a lot. Just big swells just come, big sets. Here's the other one. Go on, I'll witness your death. Record it for posterity. An incredible place this. We're just waiting for a big one to come through and see what it does. I think it'll be okay. I'd go for it, me. Oh, no I wouldn't. It looks a dead end. Here's a big one! Big one! Jesus Christ, that was close, I'll tell you. Let's get round this corner, bollocks to it.
Standing, don't you?
Well, I got it absolutely perfect, I can't believe it. I had to do it once, didn't I?
You have another one on this stick at all?
Look, no sand on the back of my boat. Look at that there. Who's the expert now?
And the hatch ain't shot properly, is it? Or is it?
Jesus. Paddling through these low-lying granite islands. These clouds are coming over now, they're scudding over. I think we're going to have some more rain. Well, we've had a cracking day, whatever happens. That has been one awesome day. End of trip. End of today's little adventure. And boy has it been an adventure. Beautiful little place. Oh, that's better at high water. None of that slippery slip.